Dan Deming of KKM Financial joins us now for the Trader Rundown. A lot happening in this market. As you know, the coronavirus
headliner
playing out, hitting the oil market.
It is.
And so much more. And then you have a big week of tech earnings rolling out.
Yep.
Apple and a lot of the FANGs.
Absolutely.
And then, of course, the Fed will be speaking.
Yeah, Fed in focus. So, yeah, there's a lot of things for this week, Angie, for the market to digest. And certainly the coronavirus, it continues to be the headliner as far as in the headlines. And the market's trying to sort out, if it's going to have an economic impact or not. We haven't seen it really play out in the equity markets, as you pointed out, though. Certainly in some of the commodity space, because the impact on China alone is substantial. So therefore, less demand coming out of China is definitely having an impact on the commodity space. But really, for the equity markets, it's going to be the earnings and the Fed this week.
Any earnings you're particularly watching here?
Yeah, I mean, as you mentioned, Apple certainly, and I'm trying to think, is Microsoft this week as well?
I believe so.
Okay, so we got some of the big names, and we had Intel blowout numbers last week. So that's another reason why I think you have to watch those tech earnings very closely. But then the Fed as well. And the interesting thing about the Fed this time around, Angie, is new voting members are coming in, and that's a dynamic that doesn't get a lot of attention, but should, because definitely the new members coming in are viewed as a more dovish type of voting potential. So that's something that the market's going to price in, and I think that's actually why you're seeing bonds rally right now, and you're seeing rates come under some pressure because of that fact alone.
Do you think the Fed will make a move?
I do not think the Fed will make a move, but I think they're in a position, particularly with the inflation front, to continue to be accommodative. And we got that message firmly delivered last week by the ECB, Bank of Canada. So again, those central banks have the ability to move if they feel they can, because inflation remains low. The Fed's probably going to deliver a similar message, and that's why I think you see money continue to flow in the equity markets.
Great Trader Talk. Thanks so much, Dan.
All right, thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.